A T account is the simplest way to visualize how bookkeeping works. It helps you track exactly where money goes in your business. It is called a T account because it looks exactly like the letter T. It divides a transaction into two distinct sides. Every transaction has two sides. You record what comes in on the left and what goes out on the right. The golden rule of accounting is that the left and right sides must always balance out perfectly. People often confuse these terms with bank statements, but in accounting, they simply represent the physical side of the ledger. If you buy equipment for cash, your equipment account gains value on the left, while your cash account loses value on the right. Remember that a debit is not inherently bad and a credit is not inherently good. They are just tools for tracking movement. Mastering T accounts is your first step toward understanding financial statements. Thanks for watching and keep learning about finance.